using profiles to manage your Amazon and eBay listing creation in Cloud Commerce Pro. A profile is a set of specific criteria and actions designed to trigger when certain conditions are met, such as when you're listing on eBay or Amazon. You can set up profiles in various different ways to save you time filling out the same information over and over when creating your new listings. To get started, head over to the Admin Center and locate the Automation section. Click the Profiles button to continue. This is the main Profiles page. Any profiles you have created previously will show here and can be edited by clicking the pencil button or deleted using the cross. To create a new profile, click the Add Profile button. From here, you can create a copy of a previous profile. This is especially useful if you need to create a lot of similar profiles. To do this, click the drop-down menu to choose which profile to copy and then press the Copy button. In this case, we want to create a new profile, so go ahead and click where it says On Product Listing. This is the Profile Settings page. You start on the General tab, where you can fill in the basic information about your profile. First of all, give your profile a clear name so you'll be able to easily identify it if you want to edit it later. You can also add a brief description to remind yourself of the profile's main function. Ensure the status box is checked to mark the profile as enabled. This is a very useful function if you ever need to temporarily disable the profile without deleting it. The running mode should be set to exclusive profile under most circumstances. This tells the system you want to use just the one profile for the task. Additive profiles are used when you want a number of different profiles for the same criteria. If your profiles are set to additive, Cloud Commerce Pro will find matching profiles and run them in a specific order. Finally, click Confirm to save your settings and continue. On the side menu on the left, click the Criteria tab. As this is a new profile, there will be no criteria currently set. Click the Add button to begin creating a new set of criteria. Currently, you can choose between product-focused and order-focused criteria types. Product-focused criteria are generally used to pre-populate various fields in the product listing process, such as product names and weights. Order-focused criteria point towards information gathered from an order itself, such as total order value and country the order is delivering to. As profiles are still in beta, more criteria types will be added in the future, such as customer-focused type. For this example, we are going to use the product-focused criteria type by clicking the Select button. A new section will appear at the bottom of the window with various options for setting up specific criteria. Click the drop-down menu below Field to see a list of various things that can be used to help point the profile to a certain element of the listing. What you choose depends on the kind of product you are listing. For this example, we will choose Product Name. Click the drop-down box under Operator to choose one that represents the action required. If you haven't used operators before, the less obvious ones are as follows. The right-facing arrow is greater than, the left-facing arrow is less than. When combined with the equal operator, they become greater than or less than, as well as equal to the value. For this example, we are going to use the contains operator. You can type the value that you want the criteria to point to in the box provided. In this example, we are making a profile for motorcycle products, so this will look for anything with motorcycle in the title. Click Save to confirm your choices. More criteria can be added if needed by simply repeating the process. We can now start by assigning actions to our profile. Actions represent the core function of a profile. Under the Actions header in the menu on the left, select the sales channel you want this profile to apply to. As before, this is a new profile, so currently this section will be empty. Click Add to start assigning actions. You will see a large list of possible actions for your profile. These actions will automate various parts of the listing based on the criteria you have set. common action for an eBay profile would be Set Category. This allows you to set an eBay category in advance that will apply to all listings that fit the profile. Click Set Category to select it and continue. A search box will display at the bottom. Type in keywords related to the kind of category you want to use, and the system will suggest various matches. Select the category that best fits your listing and click Save to continue. You'll be returned to the main profiles page, where you'll see your newly created action in the list. Repeat these steps to add as many actions as required. If you need to delete an action, simply click the cross beside it. Once you have your profiles configured, you can go ahead and start listing products with the addition of pre-configured automation to speed up the process. That concludes using profiles to manage your Amazon and eBay listing creation. Profiles are an advanced feature in Cloud Commerce Pro, so please speak to our support team if there is anything you wish to discuss. For a detailed explanation of listing products on eBay and Amazon, you can find both text and video guides in our knowledge base. Please speak to your project manager for more information.